So that's really cool. Such a good deal. So I just did my whole, it's kind of skipping it slow. Then I'm going to use some browns and golds, and I'm going to line in blue. Pretty cool. So I haven't done that in a while. So I'm going to show you how the liner works. You're going to get this brush free. So again, I'm using, this is palette 4, and I'm going to use a little bit of these brown and golds right now. I'm going to take my crease brush and just go in with this dark brown, which is Brave. You really only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Make sure you're holding your brush at this tip right here so you can just kind of do it like a circular motion. That's what's going to help you really do a nice crease that's not going to look like unnatural, you know? So hold it at the top right here, and then I just kind of go down to connect it. So there's that right there. We're going to blend this out, but just to kind of show you what that brown looks like, I'm going to put some gold right over in the center too. So everybody has a different way that they do their shadow and different kind of brushes they use and different. I chose. So we're doing today is 4. I thought I was going to do 1, and then when I started looking at them, like when I get dressed, I think about what I'm wearing, and then I think about like what makeup is going to match what I'm wearing. I don't know how you guys do it or not, but there's some amazing new products that are coming out this month too that are out right now, and I am taking pre-orders for them. Thanks to the kit, and I just go ahead and get the whole kit for $107. Get that whole kit. It's got the body oil. It's like a shimmering body oil. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and it's just everything that's perfect to put in my beach bag. Like, that's all I'm gonna need is this. And then it's lip oil, which has real infused pieces of like fruit in it. So it's just nice and hydrating. Then it's a if you're watching and you remember what it is, because I'm still remembering, it's so many things. And then it's so it's the shadow, and then it's, yeah, the body oil. Then it's a bronzer too. So I cannot wait to get my hands on it. I wish I had it right now. If I had it right now, it would be on and popping with that. But I hope I get it because I'm going on vacation. Well, it's vacation, but it's our beach house. So we're going there next week, and so it's going to come perfect timing. If you guys are on my pre-order list and want me to just go ahead and order it for you, I can order it for you. It's out. You can go order it on my site, but I'm also taking orders and then shipping. So if you guys want to do that too, because I always do that. So I did a little bit of Secretive, which is this gold kind of shimmery color, and I just did that right here. So I'm going to blend it, and then I'm going to use my blue liner. And I'm going to show you guys how this free liner brush works. So blending is so important. Like right now it's a little too harsh for me. So I'm going to take my blending brush, hold it again at this tip right here, and just blend it. And you're going to see the difference that it makes. Yeah. You're being a good girl. You're being such a good girl. Come here. Mama's doing makeup. Almost done. So I blended that out so it looks like nice and blend, you know, so it's not so harsh. I just love how it looks like a blended look. So I blended that out again using palette 4 right here. This is in the Kudos this month. So you're going to get this. Now watch what I'm going to do with this liner. So I usually have my rose water spray. Let me grab my rose water spray and show you how this works. Okay. So you can wet it, you can lick it to wet it, whatever, that's fine. But just to be technical, and since we're on live, you can wet it under the sink or whatever. But I wet it with rose water because rose water is going to help make this shadow into like a eyeliner. So you're going to get this free brush this month too. So I'm just going to spray this with a little rose water so the brush is wet, okay? And then I'm going to take it in I don't know, Cheerful or Triumphant? Triumphant's a little dark blue. Cheerful is a little lighter. Let's try Cheerful, and then I'll go in darker if I need to. But so Cheerful is this blue color, and I love mixing browns and blues. Cheerful's this blue color. This is Triumphant. So I don't know where I'm going to go in with this, but let's just, I never practice before I do my videos. I just jump on and start, as you can see. So we're going to start lining. And so this brush is wet, and so you're just going to line. I line my inner eye. Actually, this turned out to be a good color. I don't think I need to go any darker. So I just line that a little bit. You can wet it again if you feel like you need to. You can spray it with as much rose water as you want. You're just going to take a little tiny bit and just put it on the brush like this. You're going to get this brush free, and you're going to get a free bag. Like, who doesn't love travel? God, especially in the summer. I like collect travel bags. I collect travel bags, and I collect like those not plastic grocery bags, but a little more rose water. Thank you, sweetie. I collect those like vinyl totes. Like, everywhere I go, people give them out, and I just like have them stacked up by my fridge, like on the side of my fridge. I collect those, and I collect travel like makeup bags, and we get one of these for free this month. So they're so cute. You can always find stuff to put in them for traveling, you know, especially with babies and kids and stuff. You should, you know, I have like a bag for everything. So I'm just lining my bottom now with this free brush that you're going to get. And I just did it in that dark blue. So I'm just going to line the top a little bit. So let me just go in. Let me just make sure you guys can see me. I'll move my mirror. Okay. So I'm just going to line the top a little bit. And just go in with this brush. And we're just turning our eyeshadow into an eyeliner. So you're going to get this brush free this month. And you'll be able to do this yourself too. It's so easy. It's actually, I believe it's easier than liquid liner. Because shadow liners you can kind of make as dark or as lighter as you want. You can control the density, and you can blend them out, you know, if you feel like they're a little too dark. So there you go. Just line that, and it's with this dark blue Cheerful. Again, you're going to get this brush free, and the possibilities are endless to turn your palette into an eyeliner. So your shadow is now an eyeliner with this brush, and you can use it wet or dry. I like to wet it with the rose water. And I'm just kind of putting it inside the palette, and it's this dark blue. And it's like a hard bristle brush. And then I just connect them on the side. So I just lined, again, I just lined in this blue. And then I'm just going to kind of go back and blend it a little bit, because I actually kind of like my eyeshadow like smoky underneath. And then I highlight, like hardcore highlight underneath, so it just gives me that like highlight look. I tell you guys, I got eyes in the back of my head. I knew she had that rose water in her mouth. I just knew it when she was being quiet. It's like when the kids are being quiet, you know something's going on. She was being awfully quiet. I knew she had that rose water in her mouth. So close that up. Remember, you get this eyeliner brush for free. Just blend a little bit more before I do my... And I feel like the shadow, when you make the shadow into a liner, it's just like a softer look. So before actually, I'm going to highlight, because I love highlighting on my contour stick. So I'm going to highlight right here. And then I just do a little bit right here. I'm going to show you the lip stain that I'm wearing today. Now remember, you can get any color lip stain this month, plus any palette, any color palette that you want. I just love that they make everything with like choices. It's not like this is what you have to get, you know, because everybody has different colors and things that they like. So you can get any palette, including this one, number 4, that I used today. And you can get any lip stain, and you're going to get a free faux leather little travel bag that has like an eye on it. It's really pretty. It has like an eye with eye makeup on it. I'll post it in the comments so you guys can see it. And then you're also going to get the eyeliner that I used. So let's do let me turn this there. So let me do my mascara. I'm just using my Epic mascara today. Perfect summer mascara. Easy, quick. That's like all that I'm about right now. So just put on our one coat. You don't need to curl. don't need to, you can really only just put one coat if you want to. I like to put two because my eyebrows are dark, so I like my mascara to kind of be dark too. So again, I use palette 4 today. I'll show it to you again. And you're going to get that palette this month. And you're going to get a lip stain. Let me show you this lip stain. You're going to die when you see it. It's like it's a nude lip stain. It's pretty cool. It's called Speechless, but there's like, God, I think there's like 10 of them now to choose from. So many. I think I have like 4. So, okay, so that's the Epic mascara. A lot of you guys love that one. I always put mascara on the bottom. So again, this look really good for a blue. You know, you really wouldn't think that the blues and the browns look good together. The blue, like eyeliner that I kind of made this shadow into an eyeliner, and the brown, this looks good for like every color eyes. Really like this color. I use these a lot, and then I use pinks and purples a lot too, which I never did before Younique. So pretty cool, branching out, trying different things. So I almost forgot as I'm doing this. Need my setting powder. That was one of the specials last month. So if you got your setting powder, if you didn't, you can still get it. But here's the setting powder. This is really important because I'm going to be outside. So I'm going to put that setting powder all right here, and that just really helps like blur out any of those like lines, and it helps oil control. Put that setting powder all underneath of here. That's like my favorite. So you can just see how it just like it just set everything. That's exactly what it does. So it just kind of blurs any of those lines and wrinkles. Give me that. Thank you. You're gonna ruin your outfit. So finished with the setting powder. So now we are going to do, just gonna get some of that extra lip exfoliator off. Let me show you. This is the Speechless lip stain. Make sure that's all off. You want to make sure your lips are nice and clean before you put it on. This is going to last you, seriously, forever. I have to use our makeup remover wipes to get it off. That's how long it lasts. Here, baby. Here, did you want makeup? Here, sweetie. You want makeup? Here. Here. Here's makeup. Here. So this is Speechless. This is one of the nudes. You can put it on lighter. Or you can put more than one coat if you want to. I'm just going to put one coat. I'll just put a little bit more on this side. Let it dry for a minute. Just let it, you don't have to put your lips together. It's going to dry on its own. Sometimes I do by accident. So you're just going to let it dry for a minute. You're going to get it all over your shirt. You can't. I'm sorry. So once it dries, you can kind of see where it's not like those wet spots anymore. So this is one of the more nude colors. This is Speechless. So you're going to get, you can get this in your collection this month too. So, see if it's dry. I put 2 coats, so I let it dry for a little bit. Here, sweetie. You want this? How about this? You want this? There you go. So, once it dries, I'm going to show you guys. See, there's nothing on my hand here. Nothing on my hand. So, this is Speechless. This is one of the nude colors. They go dark. They go to dark purple. This is going to last me all day, all night. So, show you again. Nothing on here. Nothing on here. So, once it dries, it's dry. Nothing on your teeth. You are going to have amazing lip stain. Going to last all day. So last but not least, I wanted to show you guys. I got these new glasses. I was wondering what you all thought of them. Kind of like retro. I'm kind of into the circle glass. Kind of 90s. These are from ASOS. I love these sunglasses. I'm going to look to see if there's a coupon code. If there is, I'm going to send it to you guys. So this is my look of the day. My boho festival kind of vibe going on. So remember, my lip stain won't come off. I am wearing palette 4 on my eyes. which is a special this month. You're going to get your eyeliner brush for free. Comes with the lip stain. You can get all these products individually, but you can also get them for the special this month. So I'm going to post everything and show you guys what all the specials are. If you have any questions, you want to join me, or you want to shop or browse, my website is posted in there. And